Filipino, Cebuano.
Filipino is the national language of the Philippines and serves as a standardized form of Tagalog, one of the country's major languages. It is based on Tagalog but incorporates elements from various Philippine languages, as well as foreign languages such as Spanish, English, and Chinese, reflecting the archipelago's diverse linguistic and cultural heritage. Filipino is used in government, education, and media, promoting national identity and unity among the Filipino people. As a language, it continues to evolve, adapting to modern influences while maintaining its roots in indigenous traditions. Cebuano, also known as Bisaya, is an Austronesian language spoken in the southern Philippines, primarily in the Visayas and parts of Mindanao. It is one of the most widely spoken languages in the country, with over 20 million native speakers. Cebuano is named after the island of Cebu, but it is spoken in many other regions such as Bohol, Negros Oriental, and parts of Leyte. The language is closely related to other Philippine languages like Hiligaynon and Waray-Waray, and it has absorbed influences from Spanish due to centuries of colonization, as well as English in more recent times. It uses the Latin alphabet and has a rich oral and written tradition. Isa,
Usa,
dalawa,
duha,
tatlo,
tulo,
apat,
upat,
lima,
lima,
anim,
unom,
pito,
pito,
walo,
walo,
siyam,
siyam,
sampu.
napulo.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka. Sambahin ang ngalan mo.
Amahan namo nga ana ka sa mga langit. Pagdaygon ang imong ngalan.
Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo. Sundin ang loob mo dito sa lupa para nang sa langit.
Umabot ka namo ang imong dingharian. Matuman ang imong pagbuot dinhi sa yuta maingon sa langit.
Bigyan mo kami ngayon ng aming kakanin sa araw-araw.
Ang kalanon namo sa matag adlaw. Ihatag ka namo karong adlaw.
At patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala para nang pagpapatawad namin sa mga nagkakasala sa amin.
Pasaylo kami sa among mga sala. Maingon nga nagapasaylo kami sa mga nakasala kanamo.
At huwag mo kaming ipahintulot sa tukso at iadya mo kami sa lahat ng masama. Amen.
Ug dili mo kami itugyan sa panulay. Hinunoa luwasa kami sa tanang dautan. Amen.